When to use Wells Fargo mobile banking is a question many customers ask. And the answer is simple. Use it whenever and wherever you need to manage your accounts, make transactions, or access banking services. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the key concepts, practical examples, and best practices of using Wells Fargo mobile banking. First, let's start with the benefits of using Wells Fargo mobile banking. With the mobile app, you can access your accounts 24/7, making it perfect for busy individuals who need to manage their finances on the go. You can check your account balances, view transaction history, and even deposit checks remotely. Next, let's talk about when to use Wells Fargo mobile banking. Use it to pay bills, transfer funds between accounts, or send money to friends and family. You can also use it to locate ATMs or banking branches, or to access your credit score and report. Additionally, you can use the app to set up account alerts, so you can stay on top of your finances and avoid overdrafts or suspicious activity. In terms of best practices, always make sure to use a secure internet connection when accessing the mobile app, and never share your login credentials with anyone. Also, be sure to keep your device and app up to date to ensure you have the latest security features and functionality. For example, let's say you're out shopping and you need to check your account balance to make sure you have enough money to make a purchase. You can quickly open the Wells Fargo mobile app, log in, and check your balance. Or, let's say you need to pay a bill, but you're away from your computer. You can use the mobile app to make a payment, and even schedule it for a later date. In conclusion, Wells Fargo mobile banking is a convenient and secure way to manage your finances, and can be used in a variety of situations. By following the best practices and taking advantage of the app's features, you can stay on top of your finances and make the most of your banking experience.